How to sell anything to anyone in anywhere. Knowing how to sell something is one of the most useful abilities a salesperson can possess. For entrepreneurs and business owners in particular, being a strong salesperson opens up numerous avenues of possibility. Listed below are a few suggestions to help you sell anything to anyone, anywhere in the globe. 1. Understand your customer's need first. Understanding your customers' wants and working out how to address them is the most crucial aspect of salesmanship, regardless of what you are offering. Your product can either satisfy the needs or the pain points of your customer, depending on the situation. The greatest strategy to close a transaction is by far to focus your sales pitch on how your product can meet the demands of your target consumer once you have identified those needs. 2. Learn how to sell yourself. Spend some time getting to know your customer before your sales pitch so they can come to know you. Simply let your personality shine by sharing a little tale with them, making them laugh, and so on. They will be far more likely to buy from you if you can make them perceive you as a real person, maybe even as a friend, rather than just as someone who is trying to sell them something. 3. Reach who you are selling to. Sometimes, when you are directly marketing to people, doing market research entails identifying your target market and studying their requirements and preferences. In either case, if you want your sales presentation to be as effective as possible, you must first learn as much as you can about the audience you are trying to reach. 4. Ask questions. There are several benefits to asking your customers questions and paying attention to their responses. One benefit is that it enables you to learn more about the customer you are trying to market to, their requirements, wants, and preferences for products. They'll be far more likely to enjoy the conversation and ultimately buy anything from you if you show real interest in them and offer them the chance to talk about their favorite subject, themselves. 5. Offer help first. People you are marketing to need to believe that you are someone who is using the product you are offering to assist them in solving an issue. Remember that one of the main reasons individuals purchase a new product is because they are having trouble with a problem they are hoping the product would solve. Therefore, it is your responsibility to ensure that you are as helpful as you can be. Your sales presentations will be far more effective if you are sincerely trying to help when it comes to meeting your customers' demands. How do you plan to double or triple your sales this year? Do you know how to present yourself before your customers? Which selling tips don't you understand? Drop it in the comment and let clarifies you. Be sure to hit the like and subscribe buttons and that notification bell for more important contents.